Hey guys, today we will be changing the cabin air filter in this 2024 Toyota Rav4. We come over here and open up the glove box and pop off this kind of rod on the right side of the glove box. And then there are kind of like tabs on the side of the glove box that you can kind of squish in, and you pinch it into the middle, and then your glove box should come right down and you can have access to the cabin air filter. Make a note of the up arrow on the cover of this cabin air filter, and then to open it up, you just kind of pry on the side over here, and you should be able to pop it open just like that. And you'll see the cabin air filter with its tray sitting right here in the box, and all you do is pull it out. You can inspect it, you can kind of check it out if you want to change it or you want to clean it. But I think we're gonna go ahead and change it and get a new one. So we're gonna grab the brand new cabin air filter, and this brand is called Fun Driving, and you can probably get any other kind of brand if you want, but I'll make a list of Amazon links to the air filters that is available for this car. You can pick whichever one you like. And on the air filter here, you can look for the airflow arrow and make a note of that. Now we take the old air filter out of the tray here, and all you do is kind of squeeze on the old air filter and then pull it out, kind of toss it aside for a moment and put in the brand new one. And then also you just slide it in right there. It only goes in a certain way because of the rectangular shape. So if it doesn't fit one way, turn it around. Make sure it just kind of sits in there pretty easily. And you can see the pleat over here is kind of opened up right here, and it doesn't fit right. And let's see, I think on the back side here, there's a rod or a bar that's kind of messing up the pleats on the back side. So all you do is fix it, and now it looks pretty even. And then inspect it, make sure it's sitting all right. And you just slide it back into the box how it was originally. Kind of sit in there and make sure it's fit. And then you go and take the cover and kind of pick it up and then slide it here to the left side. There's kind of a slot that you just slide that side, and all you do is just kind of snap it back in. Make sure it's not loose in it. The last step here is to put the glove box back together. Now all you do is push on the side here, and you should be able to push it back into place. And then you got to put this rod back in here and snap it back into place too. And you are done with changing the filter.